You clean the floor, step back, and for a moment, everything looks perfect. Then sunlight pours through the window and suddenly reveals a fresh layer of dust that seems to have appeared out of nowhere. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best vacuum for laminate floors in dusty homes to help you finally stay ahead of the mess. Stick around until the end because our number 1 pick offers the kind of cleaning performance that can completely change your daily routine. And if any of these vacuums catch your attention, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Now let's move to number 5. We have the KARDV 500 watt. Dust has a way of making laminate floors look dirty almost immediately after cleaning, especially in busy households where pet hair, crumbs, and fine debris constantly accumulate. That's where the KARDV 500 watt begins to stand out. Powered by a 500 watt class motor delivering up to 40 kPa of suction, it tackles everyday messes with confidence while remaining gentle on laminate surfaces. Its V-shaped anti-tangle brush helps reduce hair wrap, saving you from the frustration of constantly cleaning the roller, while bright LED lights expose hidden dust under furniture, along walls, and inside darker corners. The vacuum also offers up to 60 minutes of runtime in eco mode, making it convenient for larger cleaning sessions, although maximum power will naturally reduce battery life more quickly. Compared with lighter entry-level stick vacuums, it feels slightly heavier, but also noticeably more performance-focused. For pet owners, families, and anyone battling daily dust buildup, it creates a cleaner, more controlled cleaning experience that helps floors stay fresher for longer. Coming up next at number 4 is the Shark VACMOP. Sometimes dust isn't the only problem laminate floors face. Sticky spills, muddy footprints, and everyday stains can quickly turn a clean room into a frustrating mess. That's exactly where the Shark VACMOP shines by combining vacuuming and mopping into one convenient cleaning solution. It first captures loose dust, crumbs, and debris using vacuum power, then activates a targeted spray system that helps break down stubborn spots without soaking delicate laminate flooring. The disposable pad design keeps dirt contained rather than spreading it around like traditional mops often do, making the entire process feel cleaner and more efficient. Its lightweight cordless construction also makes quick cleanups incredibly easy, whether you're dealing with kitchen spills or daily foot traffic. While replacement pads add a small ongoing cost, the convenience and time savings can be well worth it. Compared with standard stick vacuums, it provides stronger spot cleaning capability while sacrificing some continuous suction power, making it an excellent choice for families and pet owners who want a simple one-step solution for maintaining cleaner floors. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Meskos 550 watt. In dusty homes, one of the most frustrating experiences is watching dust return almost immediately after cleaning, making it feel like all your effort was wasted. The Meskos 550 watt is designed to tackle exactly that challenge with an impressive 45 kPa suction system capable of pulling fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and hidden debris from laminate flooring in a single pass. What makes this vacuum especially appealing is its balance between powerful cleaning performance and everyday convenience. It offers up to 65 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean multiple rooms without interruption, while the wall-mounted charging dock keeps everything organized and ready for the next session. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush reduces hair wrapping, bright LED headlights reveal hidden debris under furniture, and the self-standing design makes it easy to pause cleaning whenever necessary. Before we move on to our top 2 picks, if one of these vacuums sounds perfect for your home, don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details and pricing. Compared with many cordless competitors, the Meskos offers stronger suction and a larger 1.6-liter dust cup, although its more powerful build can feel slightly bulkier in tighter spaces. For pet owners, allergy sufferers, and families dealing with constant dust, It delivers a cleaning experience that feels both effective and satisfying. Coming in at number 2 is Tipdiy 40kp. Some dust remains hidden until sunlight suddenly exposes every particle scattered across your laminate flooring, instantly making the room feel less clean than it appeared moments before. That's where the Tipdiy creates a noticeably different experience. Powered by a high-speed motor producing 40 kPa of suction, it quickly removes fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and everyday debris before they have a chance to settle deep into corners and along floor edges. One of its biggest strengths is the close-fitting brush design that hugs walls and gaps more effectively than many competing vacuums, reaching the areas where dust often collects unnoticed. The S-shaped anti-tangle brush helps keep cleaning smooth and uninterrupted, especially in homes with pets or long hair, while the lightweight construction makes it comfortable to maneuver around furniture, stairs, and even elevated surfaces. Its self-standing design adds another level of convenience, allowing quick pauses without needing to lean it against a wall. Compared with bulkier cordless models, the Tipdiy feels more agile and easier to handle, though larger homes may require more frequent dust cup emptying. For busy households constantly fighting dust, it transforms daily floor maintenance into a faster and more enjoyable task. Taking the top spot is Shark Rocket. Dust has a way of hiding beneath furniture, along baseboards, and in tight spaces where many vacuums struggle to reach, making rooms feel less clean than they appear. Designed specifically for homes that battle constant dust, pet hair, and everyday debris, the Shark Rocket combines powerful corded suction with a lightweight design that feels effortless to maneuver. One of its biggest advantages is continuous cleaning power. Unlike cordless models that gradually lose battery life during longer cleaning sessions, the Shark Rocket delivers consistent performance from start to finish, pulling dirt from laminate floors, tile, rugs, and carpets without interruption. Its swivel steering provides excellent control around furniture, while the low-profile nozzle reaches under couches and beds where dust loves to accumulate. The vacuum can also convert into a handheld unit, adding versatility for cleaning stairs, upholstery, furniture, shelves, and even vehicle interiors. Compared with many cordless competitors, it offers more reliable long-term suction performance, although the cord may slightly limit mobility in larger spaces. For pet owners, apartment dwellers, and busy families, it turns routine cleaning into a quicker, more effective process that leaves every corner feeling noticeably fresher. The winner of today's list is the Shark Rocket. When you combine performance, reliability, versatility, and overall value, it stands above the competition. Its strong corded suction consistently removes dust, pet hair, and debris from multiple floor types while remaining lightweight and easy to control. Unlike many budget alternatives, it delivers dependable cleaning performance backed by a trusted reputation for durability. The ability to convert into a handheld vacuum further increases its usefulness, allowing you to clean floors, furniture, stairs, and tight spaces with ease. If you're searching for one vacuum that offers excellent overall performance without unnecessary compromises, the Shark Rocket is the clear choice. That wraps up our top 5 best vacuum for laminate floors in dusty homes. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and remember, a cleaner floor can completely change how your home feels every single day.